Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve some questions of direct to indirect narration. First one, he said, "Where do you come from?" The answer is, he asked where he came from. "What do you want?" he said to her. Second, he asked her what she wanted. Third, he said, "How is your mother?" He asked how his mother was. I repeat, number 1, he asked where he came from. Number 2, he asked her what she wanted. Number 3, he asked how his mother was. Here you have to keep in your mind the rules of converting active to passive in WHO type question, because all 3 questions are WHO type questions where you have to add certain things. And the question of direct will not remain question in indirect narration. It will become a declarative statement. And to make a question into declarative statement, you have to keep the verb at last. Subject will come after verb. Subject will first, then it will be followed by verb. Now, number 4th question. "Do you like this book?" she said to him. The answer will be, she asked him if he liked that book. Number 5, the poor woman cried, "Will no one help me?" The poor woman asked if no one would help her. Number 6, "Do you know the way to the station?" said I. I asked if he knew the way to the station. Number 7, "Which is your book?" he said to her. Answer is, he asked her which her book was. Number 8, "Do you really know magic?" said the queen. The queen asked if he really knew the magic. Number 9, she said to him, "Can you do this work?" 9 answer is, she asked him if he could do that work. Number 10, "Can you tell me the secret?" he said to her. Answer is, he asked her if she could tell him the secret. Number 11, he said to us, "Why are you sitting idle?" The answer is, he asked us why we were not sitting idle. He asked us why we were sitting idle. Not will not come, dear student. Number 12, "Why do you cry?" I said to the little boy. I asked the little boy why he cried. Number 13, he said, "When will the train start?" The answer is, he asked when the train would start. Number 14, "Do you believe in ghosts?" he said to the wizard. She asked the wizard if he believed in ghosts. Number 15, "Why are you so late tonight?" said the mother to Sita. The mother asked Sita why she was so late that night. So, dear children, while you are converting these interrogative sentences into indirect narration, first of all, you have to see that who is asking to whom. Second one, change in tense will also be there if the reported verb is in past tense. Change of pronoun will also be there, and the above all, the important thing you have to keep in your mind is question of direct will not remain question in indirect narration. Clear? Two types of question, WHO type question and yes no type question. In yes no type question, like question number 4, do you like this book? She said to him. So she said to him will convert she asked him. It will convert with the help of if he liked that book. Number 5 is also that yes no type question, like the poor woman cried, will no one help me? So the poor woman asked. Actually the poor woman was crying, she was asking only. She asked if no one would help her. If no one would help her. This way you will do. Number 6, do you know the way to the station? Said I. I asked if he knew the way to the station. Number 7, which is your book? I said to her. So, how you are going to convert? I said to her means I asked her which her book was, because which is her book. So if you will convert a like way, so it will remain in question, but it in indirect it should not remain in question. So I asked her which her book was. How to change tense? Already it is told to you. See the previous videos if you have any doubt. Number 8, do you really know magic? Said the queen. This is also yes no type question. The queen asked if he really knew the magic. So this way, dear children, you have to convert all these direct statement into indirect by applying the rules and regulations of interrogative questions, so that everything will be done accordingly. Thank you.